When we're looking at effective ways to improve and change our financial habits as a couple, I'm a big fan of creating what I call a meeting cadence. And what this does is this addresses all aspects of your financial world, and it creates and systematizes a way to run meetings essentially that focus on the different components. It's also really critical with this to create redundancies. And so here's a sample cadence that I built for Debbie and Mark that I discussed earlier in my talk. So when you focus in your meetings with your partner, weekly, an example of what would you be doing? You're paying bills, you download financial transactions into an online cash flow tool. Then we have monthly. Monthly, this is the one that gets everybody and creates fun in relationships. That's when you audit your monthly expenses. It's critical that both people do this together without judgment. I always think of it like getting on the scale. No emotion is just a data point, but yes. But it creates awareness around what's going on. And it creates more transparency into who's spending what, but it has to be done with no judgment. And so quarterly, that's when you're looking at your quarterly investment statements, your quarterly liability statements, and updating a balance sheet if you happen to have one. And then annually, big fan of always running your annual review with your respective financial advisor, financial coach, financial planner. And so whether your goals are having a comfortable family life, a secure retirement, or creating a legacy, it's all only a wish without a delineated plan on how to achieve it.